When it comes to upgrading your Clinton Township home, many homeowners think about kitchen remodels, landscaping, or new flooring. But one improvement that often goes unnoticed, yet offers tremendous value, is installing double-hung windows. These windows aren't just about aesthetics, they bring a host of hidden benefits that can transform the comfort, efficiency, and overall appeal of your living space. Improved energy efficiency. Michigan weather can be unpredictable, from icy winters to humid summers. Double-hung windows help regulate indoor temperatures with advanced insulation features. Many models are designed with double panes, low-E coatings, and weather stripping that minimizes drafts. This means your heating and cooling system doesn't have to work as hard, which can reduce monthly energy bills. Over time, these savings make double-hung windows a smart investment for homeowners who want both comfort and cost control. Easy cleaning and maintenance. One of the most overlooked advantages of double-hung windows is how simple they are to clean. Unlike traditional windows that may require ladders or professional help, double-hung designs allow both sashes to tilt inward. This feature makes it easy to clean both the interior and exterior glass safely from inside your home. For families in Clinton Township with multiple levels or busy schedules, this convenience is a game changer. Enhanced ventilation and airflow. Ventilation is critical for maintaining a fresh, healthy indoor environment. Double-hung windows allow you to open both the top and bottom sashes simultaneously. Warm air can escape through the top opening while cooler air flows in from the bottom. This natural circulation improves air quality and reduces reliance on fans or air conditioning. During spring and fall in Clinton Township, when the weather is mild, this feature lets you enjoy fresh air without sacrificing comfort. Increased home value. Curb appeal matters, especially in growing communities like Clinton Township. Double-hung windows offer a timeless look that complements both modern and traditional home designs. Potential buyers appreciate their functionality, energy efficiency, and low maintenance. Installing these windows is not just an upgrade for your comfort, it's also a long-term investment that can enhance your home's resale value. Safety and security benefits. Homeowners are often concerned about safety, and double-hung windows provide peace of mind. Many models come with advanced locking systems that make it difficult for intruders to break in. Additionally, the ability to open only the top sash creates a safer option for families with young children or pets. You can enjoy ventilation without worrying about little ones leaning too far out of the bottom opening. Versatility in style and design. Every home in Clinton Township has its own character, and double-hung windows adapt beautifully to different architectural styles. They come in a wide range of materials, including vinyl, wood, and fiberglass, and can be customized with different finishes and grid patterns. Whether you're updating a historic home or adding a modern touch, double-hung windows blend seamlessly with your home's design. Noise reduction. For a quieter home. Clinton Township is a bustling community, and noise from traffic or nearby activity can sometimes disrupt your peace. Double-hung windows with insulated glass help block outside sounds, creating a quieter, more serene indoor environment. This hidden benefit makes your home a true sanctuary where you can relax and recharge. Final thoughts. Double-hung windows are more than just a stylish choice. They're a smart upgrade that brings practical, hidden benefits to your Clinton Township home. From saving on energy bills to improving safety and enhancing your home's curb appeal, the advantages go far beyond what meets the eye. If you're considering a window replacement, investing in double-hung windows is one improvement you'll enjoy for years to come.